You think making tea is simple? No, it's hardcore physics, my friend. Hi, I am Dr. Shilpa Sambi. Let me help you to explore length, mass, and time while making tea. So let us check on the historical background where scientists like Newton found that every physical phenomena depends on how big something is, which is space or length, how much matter it has, which is matter or time, and how things change or move, which is time. So space, matter, and time become the base quantities of mechanics. When you make tea, what's happening physically? You are heating water, dissolving sugar, adding tea leaves and milk, and waiting until it's just right. Even in this simple act, everything you do can be described using length, mass, and time. So, length means space and size. Now, what it represents? It represents the size of the cup, the utensil, and the flame. Then, the height of the water in the utensil, the distance between flame and the utensil. Mass means how much matter. What it represents? How much milk, sugar, water, and tea leaves you use. The mass of the utensil and the mass of the liquid you are heating. So basically, mass determines how much energy is needed for heating and mixing, which means more the mass, more heat energy needed to boil. Time means duration to change. What it represents. How long you boil the water, how long you let the tea steep, and how long you wait before pouring. So if you overboil, tea becomes bitter in taste, and if it is underboiled, tea becomes weak. So next time you make tea, you are not just brewing a drink, you are performing a mini physics experiment that beautifully connects length, matter, and time. So do subscribe my channel for more such mind-blowing physics facts you won't want to miss. Thank you.